the T3 hair straightener. I give it some time to heat up. It's really white, slick, works very well apparently. Never used it before, but if it can straighten my hair, it can straighten anyone. So I double tap to turn it on, and now this is all the settings, and it's warming up.
So it's already here.
Ooh, that got really hot really quickly. Okay, so it's preset. So this is just saying it's still very cool.
So let's
So we're waiting. We have to wait for it to heat up. That's what these bars mean. Great. So that means that it's heated up. So now, let's see how well it works. I'll straighten, take off my clips. Straighten my hair. Okay, so I'm starting at the root and I'm just gonna, ooh, first pass. It's straightening. Okay, nice, nice. So now I'm gonna keep it a bit longer. My hair is very curly, so it takes a lot to straighten. Okay, second pass. Very soft. Yeah, that's really nice.
yeah.
Right? It's a volume in my hair. So this is great. So it has all these other buttons. What does this button do?
So that's whether or not your hair is thin or thick.
Oh,
and
wow.
then you have color treatment, and then how like thick your strands are, and then the temperature of the top.
Oh wow, so this is really good for people with thin and thick hair because then you can put the setting. So I see you put it in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have much thicker hair, so I would probably go one higher. But my sister and my mom have thinner hair, so they would go lower. Okay, done really well. I would definitely recommend it. Maybe I'll purchase it too. My straightener now is not the best. And I think like you can also do curls with these kind of straighteners because they're so thin. So I'll do one pass going in, and then one pass like this. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but
Oh wow.
so it comes out like a curl.
Nice.
So you can get both styles.
Oh, so this is 2-in-1.
It's just because it's a thin straightener, so you can do a lot more. Okay.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay. So definitely I'll put a link below in my description box and you check it out if you like this. Thank you for watching.